Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This chiller problem is only door. This door is not closing automatic. So let's see. Today we'll share how to fix if it is not closing properly and not closing automatic. See if we close, it's not closing. There is a spring. These two door both of there are left and right. There are a spring, but then also it's not closing properly. It's not closing automatic. Its problem is the washer. See, you can see the on top side there is one washer, but bottom side problem is the washer has gone. So we'll fix this washer, then we'll fix back the spring, then we'll be okay. We have to remove the screws to pull it up. Yeah, we have to remove the screws. See, this washer has gone. So we'll put this new washer. Now we'll put back the door. Yeah, now there is space, so now it will free. Now we'll put back the spring. So the beer say alhamdulillah, now it's automatic closing. See, it's automatic close. So same things we'll do left also. So there is another freeze, left side freeze also same. This is okay, that okay. Only this one door is not closing properly. Closing here problem is only there is washer is okay, but there is missing spring has missing. So we'll put new spring. Yeah, alhamdulillah dear bears. Okay.